approximately 4:10 p.m. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes. Please remain in your seat with the seatbelt fastened. Leave all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Before leaving, make sure you have all your personal belongings put overhead bins low and use caution when retrieving articles which may have shifted during our flight. And please make sure to check that back seat pocket for any items you might have put in there as well. If you are connecting here in Dulles, please check the United app on your smartphone or wait until you get into the airport for airport displays. On behalf of everyone here at United, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. May you have a wonderful weekend in the Dulles area or wherever your final destination may be.